Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wahyu Setiawan from Automotive Engineering, Vocational School of UNY. On this occasion, I will explain the material about the Engine Control Unit or ECU. Okay, I will begin the explanation. Electronic Control Unit or ECU is an electronic control unit in vehicles that already use the latch technology that controls a number of actuators in internal combustion engines, such as injection and ignition. In short, the electronic control unit is the brain of a computerized vehicles. So, this ECU technology is only used in the latch vehicles. And the following are examples of ECU images. Next, there are 6 general functions of ECU such as the first is adjust the opening and volume of the gasoline on the injector. Second is set the ignition timing of the spark plug according to engine conditions. Third is set the valve opening timing according to engine conditions. The fourth is adjust the performance of the engine cooling fan. The fifth is set car key identification. And the last one, turn on the car alarm when there is interference. Next, 7 types of ECUs there are. The first is Engine Control Module or ECM. It's a module that specifically regulates engine performance, starting from the starting process, igniting the spark plugs, fuel injection until the cooling process. The second is Powertrain Control Module or PCM. Module specifically regulates the performance of a car powertrain system. Usually, this module will ensure the efficient flow of power from the engine to the wheels, and this module only exists in a few cars. Next, the third is Body Control Module or BCM. It's a module that specifically regulates the body's electrical performance, such as lights, horns, and automatic or manual wipers. An entertainment system on the dashboard. The fourth is Transmission Control Module or TCM. This module only exists in automatic transmission cars. Its function is clear to regulate transmission and transmission moments according to the engine RPM and driving conditions. Next, ABS Control Module. The module is placed on the ABS brake technology car. Its function is to adjust the braking system to prevent the wheels from locking or slipping while on slippery roads. HVAC Control Module. This module is also only found on cars that carry the auto AC system. This module allows automatic control of cabin circulation according to the atmosphere inside and outside the cabin. And the last one is an airbag system is a passive safety system when there is a collision to prevent injury to several parts of the passenger's body. This module is in charge of developing this bag. And the last one of my explanation is how ECU works. In general, how the ECU works exactly as a computer CPU. In this case, the ECU communicates using binary and analog data, initial data obtained from the sensor. Furthermore, the ECU will receive some data from the sensor. Then, the data is processed to determine the amount of released gasoline. The calculation results are converted into voltage and transferred to the injector. When the injector receives voltage, from the ECU, the injector will open and the gasoline comes out. That's how the ECU works. So based on the explanation above, ECU cans operated without sensor and actuators. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.